Alright, Bogey Boy here. Just finished putting on the FMF pipe that I got. Kind of left this side off. I don't know how much you can see down in here. Just cut it off at the old muffler. A little tiger patch in there and an exhaust clamp. One of the mounts lined up, as you can see there. And very happy with the way it sounds now. So let's start it up. There's probably going to be a little smoke coming off of the header yet because it's fresh wrap, but still got to rejet it, but it sounds much better. And I'm out of here because those skies aren't looking too good.